Hello, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you all doing today? Hey, I have a couple things. I have some friend mail and I've won a giveaway from Unboxing with Arleen. And if you haven't gone to her channel, then I would recommend going over and checking her out. I have been subscribed to her for quite a while myself, and she does unboxings, and she does some similar that I do, but she also does some that are different. So, there's a nice variety. Plus, she's recently joined the Mask Monday ladies, and so she is doing Mask Mondays. So if you enjoy those type videos, then you must go check out Arleen. She is the sweetest lady, and we have become great YouTube friends. So I guess we'll start off with what I won, and I got this from Arleen. I want to cover up her address. Came priority mail, and I've got my scissors here to get it opened up. I remember what it is now. She did a special, I think on Pet Day or something, when they have National Pet Day. I think that's what it was. It could have just been Christmas for advent calendars. But that's what it is. I won an advent calendar for my puppies. So, they're going to love it. It says Merry Making at Petco, 25 Days of Thrills, Dog Chew Advent Calendar. So it's built up the excitement. So I guess they're going to start this in January since we're already past our Christmas time here. But wasn't that nice? And my doggies are going to love this. As you can tell, my dogs are really going over there. It's almost time for playtime. I should say they already started. Thank you, Arleen. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you supporting my channel. And Arleen and I, along with some other women, are going to be doing the All True Crazy Train. It's going to be coming up in January, so y'all be on the lookout for that. There'll be about 7 of us all together. So, choo-choo, here we go again. We're going to see how crazy All True can be, and we're going to compare it with something. And it can be FabFitFun, or some of us might choose another type mystery box. But, like I said, be looking for that. Now, on to my friend mail. I got several friend mails. One that I got is from Jami Leesman. Jami Leesman has a channel also, and she sent us a little card. She's got little stickers on there, and I've got her address all scratched out. She does Dollar Tree hauls, and she may do some other hauls, but I know for certain that she does the Dollar Tree hauls, and she finds the most unique things on her channel, so you need to go check her out too. And she's just the sweetest person. Sometimes she does like little shorts, like short videos of things that are around her. She just recently did one about a concrete sculpture that someone's doing in a parking lot. They own the parking lot, and they decided to do this incredible looking sculpture. So you'll have to go to her channel and check that out. But like I said, she is really sweet, and I'll encourage you to go see her. Merry Christmas in the little red truck with the reindeer. And these are going to be past Christmas because I was gone during Christmas. So I'm opening these up just a little bit late. But she says, may your journey be merry and bright with love, Jami Leesman, your YouTube sister. Yeah, that's right, my friend. Yeah, we have become great friends on YouTube. And got the little red truck on the back. And thank you, Jami. I appreciate that, and I appreciate you. And you have a happy new year. Now we're going on to the next card. I don't know who this is from. I can tell you that it's got Boston, Massachusetts on there. And it's got some lovely stickers. Aren't those cute? Yeah. Very merry. It says, oh, there's no place like home. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays, because no matter how far away you roam, you will want to be happy in a million ways. For the happy holidays, you can't beat home, sweet home. That is so cute. Thank you. Let's see who it's from. This says, oh, Jackie, wishing you and your family the happiest of holidays. This past year we have made some really wonderful friends on YouTube, and we are truly blessed to call you one of them. Thank you so very much for watching and supporting our channel. We hope you enjoyed this small gift of gratitude XOXO Sherry and Erica of Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Have a wicked awesome Christmas and a very happy new year. Wow, well thank you ladies. And they sent me peppermint extract and vitamin C facial mask. Cool, can't wait to try that out. Thank you ladies. If you have not seen the Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, you need to go check out their channel. They are great, they are awesome. They are so funny, have a great sense of humor. Just like this card, isn't that so cute? And they have unboxings. They have a lot of different kinds of unboxings, and they also have like a Monday night live, like where if you want to interact with them, you can go see their Monday night live. I think it's every Monday at 6 o'clock. They're also part of the Mass Monday Ladies, I believe, and they just do a lot of awesome unboxings, and they have good, I guess you could say, chatter or conversation. And they're funny, and I guess you could say they're humorous. I don't know if I'm saying it the right way. I don't want to be offensive. I really enjoy watching them, so I'm just encouraging you all to hop over there and give them some support. I encourage you to support all these ladies that do the different types of things. We're all one big happy family, kind of like what they said. We all have become wonderful YouTube friends, and that's so true. And thank you, Erica and Sherry. That is so special. I really appreciate you too, and I'm just real pleased, and I can't wait to use my mask. My last friend mail is from Monique of Monique's Unique Critique, and she has sent me a package, and you can tell that it's got little Christmas decorations on there. She had told me that she had sent a package, and I think she was hoping it was going to be before my trip to Cancun. But, I didn't give any dates on when I was leaving. I just always said I was leaving soon. It's so exciting to get this friend mail, and look at that. It's all stuffed full. Got us a little bell. I'm going to see if there's a card or anything. I can't believe she sent all of this. Monique, thank you. Monique is another channel that if you haven't gone to see, you need to pop over there and go see her. She has a lovely channel, and she includes her kids in it sometimes. She's got older children, Noel and Benjamin and Philip. And I think the two boys are still in high school, and Noel's gone on to college, but she still is a guest appearance every once in a while. They're very interactive, their mother, and it's just so sweet, and I just love Monique. We've become YouTube's friend kind of since the beginning, because we kind of started around the same time. Got us a Merry Christmas card, and she says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, my sweet YouTube friend, Monique. Isn't that sweet? And let's see what she has sent me. And Monique, you didn't have to do this. It looks like she sent me a little travel tag because she knew I was going on vacation. Thank you. That would come in very handy. Let's see here. It looks like we have a self-care tool. And I'm not quite sure what this is. Is it something to kind of stroke your face or to stroke your arms? Okay, Monique, you're going to have to tell me about this. I'm not quite sure what it is. Looks interesting. Oh, we've got another little present to open. This is like Christmas after Christmas. A sponge gel. I love these things. These are so great. This is a salted rose. It's a mani-pedi is what it says. And that would have been great to use on my little trip when I went on vacation. And of course, I go a couple times a year, so I'll have opportunity to use this, Monique. So don't you worry about that. What is this? This is Coslig and Chill. Is that how you say that? And in here, oh, we have a bar soap. Oh, it smells so good. Isn't that pretty? It looks like the ocean. Looks like it's got the sea colors in it. Thank you. That smells good. And we got another little box in here. This is a sunscreen. Oh, wow. Yeah, that would have been very handy. It's a broad spectrum SPF 30. It's lighthearted by Sunday Riley. Well, I'll definitely have this packed in my next trip. because, you know, we got to have that sunscreen going on. It is sunscreen. That'll come in real handy. Thank you. All right, let's see what else we have in here. We have a little package here. Oh, she had it in there for protection. Ah, what you do, Monique? What is this? Ah, it looks like it may be a beauty palette. It's called OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, very cool. Okay, now I gotta open this up and see what they look like. This is a new kind of palette for me. I don't know that I've heard of this one. I may have seen it though, because you know, so many palettes get shown on the YouTube. It's Spotlight, isn't that pretty? It has a mirror, so I'm gonna have to cover that up. But look at those gorgeous colors. Wow. Thank you, Monique. That would have just been gorgeous on the beach. Look at those blues and the pinks and purples. I love those colors. And I even use black, which y'all know if you watch my hashtag 2021, which now be the hashtag 2022 Advent Calendar Project. But I use some of those dark colors for my shadows. Today I don't really have any on. I kind of went light on the makeup today. So it's just one of them kind of days. That's just how I felt. Well, thank you, Monique, for all my little gifts. These are wonderful, and I love this palette. This is beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful, and you are beautiful. That's one thing for sure. Your whole family is so beautiful. I just love you all. And there's more little bells. So I got more little dingle bells in here. And thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm just so pleased and so surprised, and you didn't have to do that, so I really do thank you. And I thank all the ladies that sent me friend mail and little gifts. That is just wonderful. And I thank Arleen for her channel and for winning a giveaway on her channel. So everybody go see Arleen Unboxings with Arleen. Go see Jami Leesman, and she does the Dollar Tree hauls, and she does them quite well. And go see Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. This is Sherry and Erica, and they have a great channel too, and they do a lot of unboxings and Mass Monday. And I might mention Arleen has joined Mass Monday too. So there's a couple of them. And then Monique of Monique's Unique Critique. Thank you all, ladies. Thank you for thinking of me at Christmas time. I really appreciate you all. I love all your channels, and I encourage all my subscribers, if you haven't subscribed to these ladies, go check them out and do so. You won't regret it. And I just don't know what to say. I'm just very thankful. And I do wish all of you a happy new year. And I will have all these channels linked down in the description, so you can go check them out and make it easy for you to find them. And I guess for now, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Miss Jackie Russell. I'm back. Hey, I forgot. This had a card or something attached from Arleen, and I need to get into it. It was on the outside of the package. And I'm so sorry, Arleen. I guess when I opened that up, I flipped it over and I didn't see the card. It says, Happy Holidays. And inside we have, a Polar Hug Anti-Aging Collagen Face Mask. Ooh, thank you. These are some little extras she sent. And then I've got a Water Fit mask. She's setting me up for Mass Monday, guys. And Mary Catherine Loves Cats had asked her, and Mary Catherine Loves Cats asked me to join Mass Monday. And of course, Arleen already has, and I'm considering it. I've just got to figure out how to get it into my schedule. I do have a crazy schedule with all these dogs and with doing the unboxings. But these look like wonderful masks to try out. Thank you so much. She says, Hi, Miss Jackie. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate you, Arleen. So she says, P.S. When you are ready to join Mass Monday, here are a couple of sheet masks. I hope you enjoy. And I sure will, Arleen, and I appreciate the encouragement on that, and I am thinking about it. I know I told Mary Catherine after the first of the year, and now the first of the year is coming, and I've got to figure that out. But it's so fun, and I see that everyone does a great job at the Mass Mondays, and you learn more about each other because y'all do the questions, which I guess, do y'all just find the questions, or is there a list of questions that we go by? But anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and thank Arleen for my card and to get it open. So I'm going to let y'all go. And again, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.